Good morning. First one of the day, new client with his stunning BMW triple black. This is in for one of our full works packages. This is a new client. Saw my son at the KTM center the other day and thought he would treat his old girl to a bit of trot TLC. Was going to buy a new one, but decided to hang on to this old girl. He's just spent a fortune getting all these special lights put on. Even got turn signals and running lights in these emblems. Never seen that before. Yes, stunning bit of kit. So yes, he's decided to hang on to this. So he thought he would treat it to a bit of trot TLC. We're going to do one of our full works packages, which will include some machine polishing on all this glass, making sure to remove any imperfections. Windscreen, all these little covers will all get polished. I will decontaminate and clean these wheels, discs, or everything's going to get meticulously cleaned. Then we'll get it in the studio. I'm going to airbrush the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic on all the motor, the wheels, and I will apply the signature quartz on all the bodywork. These bags, lovely to see black bags rather than those horrible silver ones. These will get washed, cleaned, and then we'll apply the ceramic on those as well, making sure to keep those properly protected for the years ahead. Like I said, he was going to buy one of the new ones, doesn't like the look of them, so he's spent some money on this old girl. Old girl, she's not really that old, but get it looking like it. Let's get it looking like it should and get it properly protected for the years ahead. So wish me luck. Okay, BMW GS has now been fully washed, decontaminated, debugged, de-tarred. Had quite a bit of tar on the back of this exhaust. Next step, we're going to put a bit of satin black on this center stand. Got a couple of little rusty bits there. Overall, she's not bad shape, to be honest. As it does have a few miles on it, I will mist the XCP clear coat on the lower half. Once I've painted that center stand, this is all going to get a little misting of the XCP clear coat, same as the shot. And then we will prep these wheels. I will airbrush these wheels with some ceramic. And then we're going to crack on with some polishing. I've got to polish up this exhaust. I got a couple of gloss bits that need some polishing, as well as these handguards. I noticed they've got quite a few scratches. I should be able to polish those out, as well as this lovely little cover on the headlight there. We'll get a polish, and then we will apply the ceramic by hand to all the upper half. So let's get some paint on that center stand. And then we'll get some XCP on it, and then we'll crack on with some detailing. Okay, lower half has had a nice misting of the XCP clear coat. Now we use the Ultimaxx Trim X. We wipe down all these plastic panels, give them a nice coating so they're properly protected, and then we'll crack on with the airbrushing on the wheels. Engines come up a right treat. Put a bit of satin black on that center stand. There you go, 3.5 hours on the dot. This BMW GS has been fully trotted and looking pretty freaking sweet. This had one of our full works packages with the Ultimaxx ceramic on all the wheels, all the bodywork. We did put the XCP on the lower half just to make sure we keep any corrosion at bay. All the exhaust has been polished, center stand's been painted, all the trim has been coated with the Ultimaxx Trim X, which is a ceramic infused protectant. There's a nice sheen to it. Obviously now fully protected for the years ahead. Check him out, Andy GS Tractor. He's got a YouTube channel. They're on some going on a trip, I think next week. Look him up, follow along. That's me done on this. Time for the next.